If you're like me, you've probably got some old broken down fences and can't afford to replace them all at once. Obviously, this fence needs to be torn down soon, but in the meantime, we've got to keep it going and stock proof. And that's where the tight as, a few bits of wire, and a set of good fencing pliers are going to come in handy today. Let's see how the tight as from Horsley Wholesale works and how it can keep your fences going. Now there's a few different versions of these sort of fence fixes on the market, but the Horsley Wholesale tight as is the only one with an over-center cam tightening device. So I'm going to show you today how to use this to fix both barb and plane, get it nice and tight again, even on an old dodgy fence. Now as always, we're going to start out with the lower of the wires that we want to strain up first. Because of the pivot point on the post will move a little bit, and the closer to the pivot point, the less amount of tension our wires are going to lose as we tighten the whole fence. Now to start using these things, open them right up, get one jaw on the wire, close it, then get the second jaw on the wire and close it. Now because I'm right-handed, I'm going to go over to the left-hand side now of these tight as strainers. I'm going to bring this bar facing towards me, and I'm going to pull them together using my body. Then I'm going to get the chain, and I'm going to stick the chain on top of the little bolt here on the cam lock. Then, as I pull this around and lock it in place, it holds the tight as perfectly on the fence, and you're free to work with both hands. Now you get an offcut of wire about 1 metre long, and just drape it over the top, pulling it nice and flat and straight between the two jaws. Put a kink in the wire and wrap each side. It doesn't matter which way you wrap each side, as long as you go the same way on both sides. It's really important that you twist in the same direction on both sides. After you've put in about half a dozen twists, simply break it off or cut it off. Now because you've gone the same direction with your twists on both sides, all you've got to do now is grab your pliers and start twisting your old fence wire around the new patch. And you want to put quite a few twists in this. Make it basically as tight as you can. Dare I say, make it tight as. Once you get down to the last little bit here, just use one arm of your pliers and it'll get you around. You can also use a screwdriver or a piece of steel, but the least amount of tools you have to carry with you, the better, I reckon. And as you go, you'll end up with this nice, neat little loop in the middle of your fence. Now the good thing about the offset cam tightening device is that as soon as you've finished tightening your fence, all you have to do is release the lever and your chain's slack, they just drop off. The offset cam makes these sort of strainers really easy to use. Now let's whip them onto the barbed wire and see how you go. That's tight as. Don't forget to subscribe or you'll miss out on the weekly tool reviews.